What's up, guys? It's Eddie and I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be making a paper airplane. So first you have to take a sheet of paper like this, right? And you have to fold it in half long ways, not short ways. So it's long like this. Next, you unfold it and take the two flaps on the edge and fold it into the middle, like that. After that, you fold this part again into the middle like this. So now it's shorter like that. You do the same with the other side too. Sorry. So now it looks like this. Right? Next, you take the paper and you fold it in half like this. So you basically fold back at the half line. After that, you open it up, right? And you take the flaps, and bring it up like that. Like that. Right? You flip it over and you do the same for the other side. Make sure, I did them a little small, alright? So make sure they're bigger flaps like this. Like that. So then after that, you take a part of the little flap and you fold it up like this so it faces up and over the paper airplane. You do the same for the other side. And then you can open it up and you have paper airplane. I'm gonna fly it right quick. Right? Ready? Oh, I have that messed up. I'm gonna try that again. So if you want it to be better, you can fold it up like that. There you go. That worked surprisingly, but it went off camera. So yes, this is the paper airplane you will turn out with. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.